Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by acting immediately. Insert the physical SIM into the correct tray or scan the eSIM QR code, then power the device on. Once done, open the UniFi mobile app or activation portal and sign in with your account. Make sure you have the SIM ICSID and your phone IMEI available because you'll enter them next. This initial step links the SIM to your account and allows the service to recognize your device on the network. After signing in, follow the activation flow. Input the SIM's ICSID and your device IMEI so the system can provision the profile correctly. Then select or confirm your plan and any phone number options. This is where billing and plan limits are set, so verify choices. Provide identity verification and payment information when requested, because incomplete KYC delays provisioning. Once submitted, watch the app for status updates and an SMS confirming activation. This indicates the network has accepted and started with provisioning complete. Test by making a call, sending a text, and using mobile data to confirm connectivity. Next, check APN settings in your network settings and enable the new SIM or eSIM profile as the active data line. Mismatched APN prevents internet access. If things don't work, first toggle airplane mode, reboot the phone, and reselect the profile. If problems persist, record the ICSID and IMEI. Then contact UniFi support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.